A home means to me tranquility, security, somewhere you can escape and like be yourself, just peace.
My home provides me with a happy and secure environment. I'm very proud of my home. I love looking after it.
To be a place of comfort and safety, a place obviously where your immediate family surround you, but when you see home you feel safe. You want it to be a place of warmth and light and comfort.
Usually my home means to me chaos, but apart from that I have a place that I can, like my room, where I can be on my own and I can escape from everything else, like, consolidate my thoughts.
My kitchen, I love my kitchen because it looks out into my lovely garden, and when my friends and family come, we all, it's the heart of the house.
Lots of fond memories through the children's birthdays and friends that we've had around, friends and family at Christmas and birthdays.
Okay, the item I would save the fire, quite embarrassing because I'm 17, is my teddy bear! I've had him since I was little, and he's like always been there for me, and he doesn't back chat, which is always good.
One thing, and then I'd come in and rush in and retrieve the photographs of me and my wife on our anniversary, looking so happy, where we had a meal at the very top of the Twin Tower in New York, which is sadly no longer with us. But that was a happy time, happy memories, and a great place.
A massive inferno continues to burn at the Buncefield oil depot, a plume of smoke still drifting miles into the night sky. Police say it was miraculous that no one died in this morning's massive explosions. Their force felt up to 100 miles away as flames shot more than 200 feet into the sky. Local residents are still being advised to stay indoors.
The whole house seemed to be shaking, and we immediately knew something wrong. Although waking up like that, it was a bit of a shock. We also realised that the children were awake and something serious had happened.
So if you can imagine being poor asleep on the settee at the time of the explosion, and the house was rattling, and the doors were shut, and they were rattling for about a minute or two, and then the window came in, went out again. That's when I thought it was a ghost trying to get through the door.
Cold water surrounds me now, and all I've got.
We had to be evacuated, we moved out, going to stay at my half's mum's, and we just like moved out of home with no clothes, nothing, because we couldn't come back. And then coming back the next day to see the damage and the devastation of what had happened.
Lord, can you hear me now?
And it was just chaos. Big explosion. And I thought it was the end of the world.